vibes are little sleepy.
Crazy it'll be if we can't get the bike only off the road.
No. No cab. Either, but it's too fat to be inside the car. That's what she said. Okay, guys, nice trip. Come pack up. Time to leave. Let's go. Are they coming down? Come in. Meow. Come, we'll take trips.
Gone only.
Hey, shut the fuck up.
Wipe your lens down.
I'm legally blind.
You can't see anything.
Down. See, it's for side spots. See that edge?
No.
Finally, at least that one is the most perfect sticker.
Chumma is supposed to say something that's all.
The shoddy job.
Rage waiting Max.
Hey, nice sticker, huh?
Disappear
I swear, bro. I swear.
See, he's got some custom stickers also made actually. Custom sticker. Very high quality. Problem is, if he does that, I'll make him sit behind me on the ADV.
First you should reach
Yeah.
for you to have the ADV to put him behind.
That is have a functional ADV first. Little bit.
Shots fired.
That was a generation at Macha.
He's become sad.
Please agreed also.
Yeah.
Somewhat. Lick it. Lick it.
Come, I'll put one tikka.
Tikka. Put one tikka on your face.
Behind another is even more great. I said it's in a train.
Said you don't need to hide your identity, Dad.
Exactly.
Oh yeah.
It's not gay when it's in a three-way. That's the golden rule. Big fact.
Bro.
Lady Gaga said it.
The speed starts the fucking truck, no, and reverse. I swear. At least if the Royal Enfield are included in the plane, shuts the fucking car off, He's paying $100 extra diesel.
Peace.
Why are you looking at your watch, bro?
Because time is precious.
I like your sticker placement. I am shooting on iPhone Ultra wide. I found the best mod. Over here. Guys, you need to see this. It's the best mod ever. This is Papa Sar's favorite mod ever. Yeah, this is his favorite. Yeah, Papa Sar would approve. There's all scrutinization. There's a fake Rossi. There's a confused Underwood.
Every year, same.
What do you have to say?
I mean, my first time here. I'm happy that my man is here.
Bro, Sid. Do an overhead press, no, with your suit. Other hand.
And this next one, this is the information you get if you put a...
Please also no.
Yeah, correct, ideally.
I'll take it soon.
Who has become handyman for the day. Bro, Shreyas, your ass looking kind of flat, bro. It takes two people to hold.
Dust on Max.
Dust to the clouds.
Oh shit. I was searching for my hangover, bro. It's in my fucking suit.
He's asking everyone. Bro, there's a hanger for my suit, bro.
I keep
Bro. We didn't hear that. Clutch it. No, I have the clutch and move. Push it back.
Woo. Collateral damage would have happened.
Everyone's.
This is why if you put your sticker on the headlight, no, this wouldn't have happened. See? He's put it here.
Which one?
This. Put it. should put on your headlight, then you can see what you're doing.
I'll put that, master cylinder, bro.
Idiot fellow.
What do you want me to do, bro?
His stand again went back.
Lift that shit.
Ram his bike again. See, he's concentrating. Yeah, break his bike also.
Pay now. Pay for it. You're sponsoring, no? What's
Cut it.
Big white.
Less than 30, it seems.
In bike, the big white has sat down.
Car has lost his 3-inch lift.
Credit card, boy. See that flawless boy.
I did hair care last night and came okay, like shampoo, conditioner, some.
Yeah, is this the only hair that's shining? All looks like we put fucking sand and come. Oh my god! What is that forehead?
That's the name on it.
On the forehead. Bro, you haven't plot free, huh, Milind?
It's on my forehead.
That was very popular in the early 90s. That
The
one.
big white's thinking.
And this next one, this is the
he's
reformation
the
you get
ultimate
if you
biker.
put a bar into the rehearsal area.
Bananas.
Wait, I have something.
Bananas.
Take a deep breath, sit. This time we run in with some competition.
Yes.
Now it's a race. Morning and all, it was like on Sunday, right? Now line up.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, launch. Around 6, 7. 6.
6, 7.
Keep going!
Why cap? Why? Why? Fucking.
to Siddhant Sridhar.
Wow, Sid has almost fallen off. He's not able to get on top. Look at that tan line. I whistled last time, you know, I whistled. Let's go. You've killed off one member of the pit side actually.
Let's go!
Mr. Trace, show us your beloved.
Give it a kiss.
Yeah.
You have to down an entire It is a pit side lockdown.
Bro, wait. You spank him, bro. Full day you've been waiting for this, bro. Bro, you've been waiting full day. Put it up. Yeah. I hope you got the.
At least I looked. Fair.
See them tan lines.
Nah.
Why are you angry, bro? It's okay.
I didn't win, bro.
You just gave.
No,
chance
everyone
to-
doesn't have to win. Only I have to.
You gave chance to others because you're young. No, you still have a long career ahead.
Actually, both of us.
They are at the end of their career, bro.
Actually, both of us were giving chance for everyone else. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Me by not riding, him by riding like ass.
I'm going to ignore. Oh my God.
Let's go!
That's the real news. That's the real news.
Permission, it seems, but he's doing it for the next one.
Okay, we're gonna beep that and because
I am bringing ADV.
so y'all, bro, tell them that they need to stay tuned to watch
Stay tuned!
next
Stay
hill
tuned.
climb
Stay tuned!
on a different.
It's a wrap!